We're not going yet. This is just the prelude. But this is what we got going on, guys. Check this out. Johnny's out here. Sherman's Park over there. Check this out. Man, spotlights galore. Justin, the Charger. Johnny and the Journey gang. He's got the trap star right there. Turn your lights on, Johnny. Like Wayne, light them up right for a minute. We'll get it all lit up out here for a minute, guys. Like daylight. There he is. Johnny got him lit up. Man, check this out. Yeah, let's see if we can see the dent. Man, his light bar came off, guys. Dinged the shit out of his side. Look. Yeah. I'm just getting some extra footage, Johnny, before we, you know what I mean? I'll edit this out of the full video. But look, everybody's out here, Justin. You're freezing your balls off, aren't you? He's cold as shit out here. Ash is out here. What's up, buddy? Yeah. Wayne, look at him. Pyro, dude. Straight pyro. He's ready for it. What up, Big Sherm in the house? Yeah. Back here's Jay. Everybody's out hanging out, man. We're getting ready to light it up. Ronnie's out here. There he is. Ronnie, too intense. He's parked back there. What up, Ronnie, my guy? Yeah, guys.
You like that switch, don't you? Yeah. Tell me it's wrong. Tell me it's wrong.
Little Ron, he's got his video out here. Check him out. We get the back of the jacket right there. What up, Ronnie? Ronnie. Johnny, he's got his camera. Check him out. Trap Patrol, man, on YouTube. I don't even know what his TikTok is. All right. Are you gonna leave your lights on, Johnny? And we'll have Wayne leave his on for a minute. I'm gonna kill my lights. Who's gonna hit? Where's Johnny? Hey, will you show him how to shut your lights off? So when we light that, we can go dark and all we see is this.
Johnny, come here.
You're gonna be the light guy.
Get in my truck, and the top button kills everything.
We stand out like bird shit on a black shoe.